Part 2 of the false fire alarm.
And this is actually a real story. This is actually happening.
Yeah, this is literally like no joke. It's happening right now. We're in the bathroom, but it's not going off right now.
What it looks like.
Watch when we like step on the ground downstairs. It's gonna go off.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Go upstairs, you guys. It's not gonna stop.
Oh my gosh, guys.
That was crazy.
That was-
Did you hear my prediction?
Guys, why is this
Like
happening?
literally, I predicted it. Like that's crazy.
Why is this happening?
Do you hear that, guys? It's like. Dude.
Okay, I'm gonna have you guys hear it.
Dude.
Stay tuned for part 3.